Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Wednesday, August 26th, 2026 at 13:30, and today we have our Day 2 outlook to look at for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So in tomorrow's Day 2 outlook, we have a slight risk that encompasses parts of Northern Virginia, Washington, D.C., much of Maryland, eastern West Virginia, northern Delaware, northwestern and eastern western New Jersey, northern New Jersey as well, much of Pennsylvania, including my area, and much of eastern New York State. We have a marginal risk that encompasses parts of western Connecticut, western Massachusetts, much of Vermont, northern and central New York State, parts of central to western Pennsylvania, much of West Virginia, southeastern Ohio, much of Virginia, eastern Kentucky, northwestern North Carolina, and northeastern Tennessee. We have a marginal risk also encompassing parts of central and northeastern Colorado, southeastern and eastern Wyoming, much of much of Nebraska, southwestern South Dakota, and northwestern Kansas. And we have another marginal that encompasses much of central Montana. So we have those areas under a marginal risk for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. We have Philadelphia, Baltimore, Washington, D.C., Newark, and Arlington under the slight, and New York, Denver, Colorado Springs, Pittsburgh, and Aurora under the marginal. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a 2% tornado risk that encompasses parts of northeastern and eastern Pennsylvania, western New Jersey, eastern New York State, western Connecticut, western Massachusetts, and much of Vermont. So we have those areas under a marginal risk, a 2% tornado risk for tomorrow. We have Philadelphia, Newark, Jersey City, Yonkers, and Patterson under the 2%, so we could see an EF0 tornado possible in the 2% area tomorrow. Going into the wind risk for tomorrow, we have a 15% that encompasses eastern West Virginia, northern Virginia, Washington, D.C., much of central Maryland, much of Pennsylvania, including my area, northern Delaware, western New Jersey, and parts of eastern New York State. We have a 5% that encompasses parts of western Massachusetts, western Connecticut, much of Vermont, northern and central New York State, central and western Pennsylvania, much of West Virginia, southeastern Ohio, eastern Kentucky, northeastern Tennessee, northwestern North Carolina, and much of Virginia. We have a 5% also encompassing parts of northwestern Kansas, northeastern Colorado, western Nebraska, eastern Wyoming, and southwestern South Dakota. We also have another 5% encompassing much of central Montana. So we have those areas under a marginal risk, 5% for tomorrow. We have Philadelphia, Baltimore, Washington, D.C., Newark, and Arlington under the 15%, and New York, Pittsburgh, Jersey City, Yonkers, and Winston-Salem under the 5%. So for the 15% area, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible tomorrow. 5% we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible tomorrow, so please be mindful of that. Going into the hail threat for tomorrow, we have a 5% hatch that encompasses parts of central and northwestern Nebraska and southwestern South Dakota. We have a 5%, and extreme eastern Wyoming. We have a 5% normal that encompasses eastern Wyoming, southwestern and southern Nebraska, northeastern and central Colorado, and northwestern Kansas. We also have a 5% that encompasses parts of eastern Kentucky, northeastern Tennessee, northwestern North Carolina, much of Virginia, much of West Virginia, extreme southeastern Ohio, Washington, D.C., much of Maryland, northern Delaware, much of Pennsylvania, including my area, much of New Jersey, and central to eastern New York State, western Vermont, western Massachusetts, western Connecticut, and much of Vermont. So we have those areas under a 5% for tomorrow. We have Rapid City, North Platte, Spearfish, Rapid Valley, and Sturgis under the significant severe, and New York, Philadelphia, Baltimore, Denver, and Washington, D.C. under the 5%. So for the 5% hatched area, we could see 1 to 2.5 inch downward hail possible tomorrow. 5% normal, we could see 1 to 2 inch downward hail possible tomorrow, so please be mindful of that. Going into the summary for tomorrow, it says scattered strong to severe thunderstorms are possible across parts of the Northeast on Thursday. Damaging wind, hail, and a tornado or two may accompany these storms. Strong wind gusts and hail also may occur over parts of the Central Plains and the Northern Rockies vicinity. So I do really hope you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. There's tomorrow's hail risk.
I decided to diversify mainly because
There's tomorrow's wind. Oh, there's tomorrow's wind risk.
the government has and the value of the dollar and how the value continues to drop. I just thought it would be wise to have a hard asset.
There's tomorrow's tornado risk.
One of the reasons I bought gold was because I want to create an inheritance for my children and my grandchildren.
And there's tomorrow's day 2 outlook. So I do really hope you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. Yes, even if you are under a marginal risk, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay weather aware and stay safe. And I will have this outlook again. I'll go over this outlook again tomorrow morning when it becomes day 1. In the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.